Say these words with your English voice. Criminal. Criminal. This is someone who commits a crime. Some criminals are very famous because of what they did. Dictator. Dictator. This is a person who gives orders and behaves as if they have complete power. It can be a leader or anyone who thinks that they have the power. Royalty. Royalty. This is the people who belong to the family of a king or queen. Killer. Killer. This is someone who kills another person. Some killers are very famous because of who they killed or how they did it. Comedian. Comedian. This is a person whose job is to make people laugh by telling jokes. Winner. Winner. This is someone who wins a game, competition, or election. Loser. Loser. This is a person or team that does not win a game or competition.